Guys, where are you guys going?
Oh, we're gonna go over there. Hop in.
I'm fine. I can swim.
I can jump in.
Where are you going?
You're not gonna be able to get up there, little girl.
There's a platform on the other side you can climb up on.
Yep.
On the other side, Liam.
I know, but it's so hard to get up on that thing.
You can do it. You can do it.
Very hard.
Liam, go Liam.
Liam, now. You can jump off there. Sky did it.
You can do it.
Jada, come on.
No.
Oh, come on, you
Come on.
guys.
Whoop. Do it. I'm coming up.
Don't say that. I'm thinking. Go Liam.
Jump.
Ready? Ready?
Do it.
You can do it.
It's not that high once you get
I'm
there.
telling you, once you tried it, once you jump on the falls, on the waterfalls.
Yeah. Watch out, we got a crew come through.
Come on, watch. Look at Sky. Go, Sky. There you go. See? Good job, Sky. Here comes Liam.
Liam, don't look down.
Happy birthday, Liam. Woo!
Nice.
How was it? How was it?
Look down.
Liam, how was it?
It's okay.
See? I told you.
Let's go back
Go,
and do it again.
Jada. Go, Jada.
I'm scared.
You can do it.
I can
Do it. Do it. How was it? Ready?
No.
Serious?
You're gonna just keep doing the slide.
Go. Go, Sky. Woo! Go, Liam.
Liam, do it. It's fun. It's fast. Can't play for the...
That's one way to get on a slide.
That was really fast, wasn't it? Yeah, that's why you
Here comes the fat man. Sky, watch your Uncle Joe. Here you go.
It's pretty damn high.
Do it! Do it! It's like I don't want to do it. You okay?
Are you okay?
You okay, boyfriend,
Yeah.
It hurt going down.
okay? Hey, who wants to go on now? Hey,
Doesn't do any good.
up and down.
I'd rather not have the life vest when I jump there.
Like that.
Because I felt like it's gonna hurt me more. You know? The
It
life
didn't
vest.
hurt.
It's not?
Not really.
I mean, it does come up over my head though.
You
Yeah.
It
guys
goes
can do
like
it.
this.
Okay, Liam. Liam, come here. I want to do something with you. It's that obstacle course thingy. Oh yeah, I want to do it, but I just don't know how to get to the platform. Dad, can you like no, not that. Get it.
Jada. Hi. You
Your
don't
Uncle
want to go
Joe.
up
No. That thing scares me too.
Hey, there's a slide.
there? Well, you have to slide to the next level, right?
Yeah. Make sure you're not gonna fall, Sky. On the water. Okay, Liam, look. There. Ready? There you go. You did it.
I wonder how far down this goes.
Huh? I don't know. It's nice water.
Water, but that feels like that's a little bit down.
Good job.
How do you get up to the top? Can't.
You can't?
No. Actually, you gotta do it from the outside. How?
Oh, yeah.
Don't fall off. Slide.
How do you? Liam, there's handles on the outside. There's what? There's handles.
I'm going, Uncle Joe. Can I go on that slide over there?
Yeah. Do whatever you want.
I made it.
There you go. How you guys gonna go all the way up there?
There's no way I'm ever going up there.
Are you not
Why
going
not?
up there?
No! So the whole
Are you
time,
gonna jump
there's
from
a
there,
platform
Skywalk?
right there.
I think that's what she's trying to do.
She's scared.
Dude, I don't know if they let us do it, but metal detecting this would be awesome. You're gonna find so much stuff. Where are you going? I'm gonna say no to it. Once the water, once
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you. Go make a wish. Go, blow.
Okay.
Yay.
That wax. All right, I got a little knife
I got plates.
and silverware, Beth.
Cow.